In numerical 10.2, according to statement, a pendulum of length 0.99 meter is taken to the moon. The period of pendulum is 4.9 seconds. What is the value of g on the surface of moon? We have to find acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. The given data in this case is that is length of pendulum, which is 0.99 meter. Length of pendulum L is equal to 0.99 meter. Also given period of pendulum, mean time period of pendulum. Time period T is equal to 4.9 second. Again formula is same. T is equal to 2 pi L over gravity at moon divided by square root. What we have to find? That is gravity at moon. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity at moon. That is gravity at moon question mark. For solution, by putting values in the formula, T is equal to 4.9 is equal to 2 pi 0.99 divided by gravity at moon square root. Again taking square both sides, 4.9 whole square is equal to 2 pi 0.99 over gravity at moon square root whole square. We will get 4.9 square, which is equal to 24.01 is equal to 4 pi square 0.99 over gravity at moon. By cross multiplication, gravity at moon into 24.01 is equal to 4 pi square into 0.99. By dividing 24.01 both sides, we will get gravity at moon is equal to 4 into 3.14 whole square 0.99 divided by 24.01, which is equal to 39.04 divided by 24.01, and we will get gravity at moon is equal to 1.62 meter per second square. In numerical number 10.3, the statement is Find the time period of pendulum of 1 meter length placed on Earth and Moon both. The value of G on surface of Moon is 6 times less than its value on surface of Earth, and we know the value on the surface of Earth of G is 10 meter per second square. Here the given data is length of pendulum, which is 1 meter, gravity at Earth, which is 10 meter per second square, and gravity at Moon, which is 6 times less than the gravity at Earth. So we have gravity at Moon is equal to gravity at Earth divided by 6, and after simplification we will get gravity at Moon is equal to 1.67 meter per second square. What we have to find? We have to find time period of pendulum on Earth as well as on Moon. So we will write time period on Earth T is equal to question mark, and time period Tm, which is for Moon, this is also unknown. Formula, we have T is equal to 2 pi square root L by G. We have two parts here, one for Earth and one for Moon. First we solve for Earth. For Earth, T is equal to 2 by L by G square root. Here we use the gravity for Earth, GE. So we will get 2 pi 1 by 10 square root. After simplification, square root 1 by 10, we will get 0.316 multiplied by 2 pi. So time period on the surface of Earth will be 2 into the value of pi 3.14 into 0.316. We will get 1.98 second, which is time period on the surface of Earth. For surface of Moon, again we have same formula, but now we will use the gravity of acceleration due to gravity at Moon, and gravity at Moon we have calculated is equal to 1.67 meter per second square. By putting this value in the same formula, time period for the Moon will be equal to 2 pi, y is equal to 3.14, 1 over 1.67, because gravity at Moon is 1.67. After simplification, square root 1.67, we will get 0.7738. So by multiplication all these, we will get time period at Moon is equal to 4.9 seconds.